what you have to do is tap the egg around the side like this to tell it where you want it to break, just like that. And then you ease out the shell, like that. And let the yolk, the outside part of the yolk run down. So you tip it backwards and forwards so that you get all the outside bit without the yolk. And then you tip the yolk into there like that. And there you have. And then that part you make the meringue with. That part goes in the lemon part. Right, we're making the lemon curd to go in the lemon meringue pie. So in this saucepan, I've got the juice of 4 lemons. I've also scraped off the rind, so they've got the rind that's gone in. There's some sugar's gone in there and some corn flour to help it thicken up. And at the moment, you'll see it's all fluidy. But you have to keep it stirring because you mustn't let it boil. And then all of a sudden, it starts to go thick, as if by magic. But it's a sort of chemical reaction taking place. You might want to just stop filming there because we've been heating this probably for about, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes now. It's just starting to go a little bit thick. You can see it's changed consistency and it's getting a little bit thicker, like a paste you'd use for the wallpaper, really. But it tastes a lot better than that. Which is good. See it's now thickening up. And then what you have to do after this is you let it cool off a bit, so you can put another butter in, and you let it cool off while the butter's melting, and then you use the 4 yolks of the egg in it, and finally give it a stir and put it into your lemon meringue pie. But the thing is, don't put the eggs in too quick because they end up cooking and you end up with scrambled egg, and that's not what you want. See now it's getting a lot thicker.
Oh yeah.
As if by magic. This sort of thing, you have to keep the heat low. You must keep stirring all the time, otherwise it will go. It will start to burn, and that's not what we want. So just nearly there. You have to pick it out at the right time because you can overdo it, and then it starts to go the other way. So I think probably that is it there. So we're going to take the gas off. Just let it finally cool down a bit here. And now she'll go and get another butter. Butter goes in there, and then these will be the eggs we're beating in it. But we can't do it until it's cooled down a bit because they will start to cook, and we don't want boiled eggs in the middle of there, or poached eggs in the middle of our lemon. See, the butter helps it go nice and lemon, starting to look like a lemon.
Oh yeah, it's melting there.
Yeah, it's quite hot, you see, so that just makes it give that touch of richness. And as this cools off, it gets even thicker, believe it or not. So that's all stirred in now. So just let that cool off a bit more because it's too hot at the moment. And I should just beat the eggs up. At the action. Beautiful action there, see? And then when that's cooled in, we'll wet it in. And then I'll show you what the finished thing looks like. Okay. So we're adding the eggs into the lemon mix. So it's all cooled down now. It's not too hot because otherwise it would start cooking the eggs. Make sure we get it. So we've had 4 yolks of large eggs. So it's quite eggy. And then basically stir it around like this, mix it up well, gives it a nice sort of lemon colour, so it looks all even.
So off there.
Yeah. Just going to get this mixed up and a little bit of pour. Bigger spoon because I get a bit more. Right, so mixed it all in now, looks lovely and yellowy. Put the light on actually, it might help. See what you do. Right, so this is a pastry case, a sugar pastry case, which has got flour and butter and sugar, and we pre-cooked that just to make it firm. So that's cooked, but not massively cooked. This down there makes it look sort of rustic. That's sort of like country farming type approach. And then we pour the lemon, lemon curd as it is really. Some people buy this in a tin, but you don't need to. It's much nicer when you make it yourself because you make it very lemony, and that's what everybody likes about it. It's different than the old packet ones that you buy in the shop. This is the real McCoy. And I won first prize for this once many years ago, so it's good recipe. Right, we'll let that cool off, and then in overnight in the fridge, and that brings out the lemon flavours. And then the next stage we'll show you how you put the meringue. Okay. Right, so we're going to start with part 2 of this video, which is showing how we put the meringue on top of the lemon meringue pie. So first of all, we take the whites of the eggs, which we did the other day, put them into our mixer, and then put the mixer, and off we go. High speed. Right, now we whisk this up to a nice white mixture, and you can see it's all gone stiff, and the way to test this, when it's stiff enough, is to turn it upside down and it doesn't fall out. Okay, so now we have to do what's called folding and sugaring. So we basically sprinkle some sugar over, like this, and then you fold it in, like that. A bit more, and then fold it in again. A bit more, fold it in, a bit more, fold it in.
The last bit.
And then you basically just spoon this round, whoops, the side of the pie, like this. And the idea is you must cover every bit of the surface of the pie to get the full effect. Now today I was going to have a go at putting this in the air fryer to see whether that works. It's the first time we've ever done it, so we've got to take the risk because you will save energy, and we're all saving energy now. Look at that round there. Now just to get so there's no holes in the top. Doesn't matter if it's looking rough, because that adds to the effect of it when it's cooked. Make it look sort of random. It's more into random. Right. Yeah. As it's just such a tight fit in the fryer, I'm going to make the way that we can get it out. Pie, a foil under the dish so we can pull it out. Otherwise, it's going to get jammed in there. This is a very tight fit.
I mean, it was amazing how you got it out last time.
Yeah, well, it's going to get more delicate when this comes out.
You sure you really want to risk it?
Oh, I think we've got to risk it for a biscuit, yeah. And that goes out the side like that. So we've got something to pull it up with, right? So, let's get the old meringue out. So, and that comes out of that. There we go. Alright. Just fold those bits in there. I just have to consult my book to see how long we have to give it for. 25 minutes at 150 degrees C, and we'll see what it turns out like. Right, we have just completed the cooking of the lemon meringue pie, and we did it in an air fryer. First time we've done it in an air fryer, and it looks pretty good. Okay.